Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be going over 5 tools that will help you manage your Etsy bookkeeping and taxes. So if you want to learn more about these 5 tools, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and get started. So this was a requested video. Many of you guys asked me what are some tools that I recommend for taxes, what are some tools that I could recommend for bookkeeping, and I figured I could do one video covering both topics, especially because tax season is just around the corner. So let's go ahead and get started. The first tool that I want to recommend is called QuickBooks. I actually use this particular tool. And with QuickBooks Self-Employed, you could keep your finances and business expenses organized, which is really, really good. All of your transactions and seller fees are imported from Etsy and categorized automatically. So you could easily go in there and quickly see exactly what you have earned and how much you have spent. You could also include sales and expense data from other places, like if you do business in Square, PayPal, maybe you have a different bank account that you use. Maybe sometimes you use a different credit card for your Etsy business. You're able to import that information. So QuickBooks is a real popular one. You probably heard of it before. They are actually also partner approved by Etsy as well. So just keep that in mind. The next tool that I wanted to talk about is called TaxJar. And what's nice about them is that they help prepare and file sales tax returns in minutes, not hours. And with them is if you find yourself like getting a headache trying to collect sales tax and trying to calculate it, then TaxJar is for you because they do everything automated. So they do automated sales tax reports for you by state and local jurisdiction. They help keep a payment history for tax time and for any any unsuspected audits if you ever get audited, and they automatically file directly to your state, which is really important. So it's really nice. Your dashboard will show you how much you have collected in sales tax and when is the payment next, or when is the payment due for the next time. So they update it on a regular basis. Your data will be updated, which is really, really cool. And this is going to be painless, basically, just like how it says in their title. Painless for your sales tax. So if you find yourself having a difficulty trying to figure out how much you owe, how much you should be paying for your state, you need TaxJar for sure. So I recommend that you check them out to learn a little bit more about them. The next tool that I want to talk about, I have talked about them before, is Wave. And Wave is a simple, free online accounting app. And it lets you track and manage your taxes easily with no accounting experience, which is really cool. I think many people use Wave because they do have the free service. If you want to upgrade, you can always upgrade. But I highly recommend checking them out if you're trying to do something that doesn't cost you additional costs. The next one I want to recommend is called Greenback. And Greenback is similar to Wave. It simplifies your Etsy accounting. It syncs in your Etsy sales fees and expenses into one dashboard. And the nice thing about them also is that you're able to export to QuickBooks as well. Or if you have any additional like accounting packages, maybe you do accounting with a different company that I don't talk about in this video, you can actually sync it with them. So all of your sales, like your fees, your expenses, are organized in like a comprehensive, like searchable timeline and much more. So they have so many features. They're actually pretty neat. I recommend checking them out as well. And the last tool that I wanted to talk about is called TaxCloud. And it's basically a cloud-based sales tax management and compliance service designed specifically for online sales, which is very different to other similar sites that they do online sales and regular sales. So they're only online sales. And Tax Cloud offers sales tax calculation for any address in the US. And they have two types of services. So they have the automated compliance, which is a free service option. And they have the selective compliance, which is a fee-based service. So depending on which one you prefer, but I highly recommend them as well. Keep in mind that all of these 5 tools are approved by Etsy, so you don't have to worry about giving them access to your Etsy store to connect it. So everything gets synced in. You don't have to worry about that. But these are 5 amazing tools that you could start using today to manage not only your Etsy bookkeeping, but also your taxes. I hope that this video helps. Let me know in the comment section if you have any additional questions. And thank you guys so much for watching.